Another thing that I will show you, say we're doing CTAs and they clicked a CTA here, right? Another option that we have is to score every time, or we want to limit the number of times or limit the score to a certain amount. So every time they click a CTA, say I'm giving it 5 points. Well, if somebody's clicking on a CTA a lot and maybe our group limit is 20 instead of 50, we could get there really, really fast. And maybe you want to leave room for other parts of the group to take into account as well. In that case, we may not want to score every single time if we're adding on a lot of points for it. And in that case, we can limit this. So I want to limit this to 10. Or I want to limit it to 20. It depends on, your range of what you're using of the overall group of best practices of what you would want to limit it to versus how many points you're giving to it. So you do have the ability to cap this out because it leaves room for other areas in this group to also add on a score. So your score does not automatically inflate. Now, if it's something like, oh, they filled out a form on the pricing page, maybe you don't want to limit that and you're giving that a score of 40 points because, hello, let's go talk to this person. So it depends on the criteria and the situation. So definitely think through these things, but you do have the ability to have the control to limit it so the score also doesn't falsely inflate.